Okay, we're going to go through some more problems for Venn diagrams, just some extra practice. We're looking at the probability of books and music. Again, for an and statement, it's extremely restrictive. The and statement says they have to be a part of those two things at the same time. All right, so we're looking at books and music. So books and music. So we're looking at the intersection of those two circles. That means where they overlap, where the two circles are a part of each other. They're a part of each other right here and right there. So that one would be 8 and 7. We're going to add those together, and that gives us 15 out of a total of all the students here possible is 89. So the probability of books and music, there are 15 of them out of 89. And again, that and statement says they have to be a part of both of those. And sure enough, the 7 is a part of the music, it's a part of the books. The 8 is a part of the music, it's a part of the books. Some students have trouble seeing the 7 because they think it's also a part of the movies, which it is. However, up here in the problem, it's only asking about people that are a part of books and music. It doesn't care anything about the movies. So the 7 is a part of the books, and it's a part of the music, so it's a part of that and statement. Okay, and the next one. So we're going to look at the difference now for books or music. Rather than books and music, now we're going to see what an or looks like. An or is extremely unrestrictive. That means as long as you're in the books, you're in there. If you're in the music, you're in there. If you're in both of them, you're in there. So if we look at it that way, it's everybody that's in the books circle and everybody that's in the music circles put together. You're adding all of them up, right? So I got a 13 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 11 plus 2. And if I add up all of those, I should get a total of 46 students out of the total of 89 students. Okay, so we're adding up all of these in here. Everybody that's in books and music. All right, next one. This one says the probability of books and music or movies. Now this one does have a set of parentheses around here, so I'm going to tackle that part first. So I'm looking at books and music. Again, that and statement, they have to be a part of both of them at the same time. So books and music. All right, books and music, that's the intersection of these two circles here. So that's the 8 and the 7. Now, that's this part right here. For the or, kind of think about it like you're adding to that anybody that's in the movie circle. So anybody that's in here. So I'm going to be adding in the 5, the 11, and the 20 to that. So that one I'm going to be adding up 8, 7, 5, 11, and 20. And that should give me a total of 51 out of 89 students. So the probability of books and music or movies would be 51 out of 89. Okay, so for this one, we're looking at the probability of books given movies. Again, that vertical line right there stands for the word given, right? And so we're looking at probability of books given movies. Whenever we're looking at a given problem, it changes the Venn diagram. It changes the Venn diagram to where you're only focusing on whatever comes after that given statement. So right here, I'm only looking at the people that like movies. So I'm only focused on this circle, the people that are in that circle. That means none of the rest of the people exist for right now. So this one is going to be our new total. Again, the given changes your total. So our total is now the 5, the 7, the 11, and the 20. So our total is now 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 20, which is 43. Now, the way we work the problem is once we identify the part we're looking at, we're looking for who are the people that like books inside of the people that like movies. Well, the people that like books are the 7 and the 11. 7 and 11 come out to be 18 out of the new total of 43 people. So again, for the given problem, whatever comes after the given statement, that's the part you're focused on. We're only focused on the movies. None of the other people exist. So that's our new total. 5, 7, 11, 20 give us a total of 43. Inside the movies, the only people that like books are the 7 and the 11. So the 18 out of 43 people. And let's see, the probability of not books and music. So again, we got that and statement, we got a not statement. Whenever you're dealing with a not, you're going to identify this part first. Books and music. Books and music, again, is the intersection of these two circles right here. Books and music is the 8 and the 7. All right, now, with that and statement right there, we've identified 8 and 7. But throwing in the not means everybody but those people. So these are the only people we aren't going to count. So everybody else gets counted. That's what doing that not does for us. We identify this part, that's the 8 and the 7, and then to throw in that not, that excludes them, and you capture everybody else. So we're going to have a 13 plus 5 plus 11 plus 20 plus 2 plus 23. And that will give us a total of 74 out of 89 students. And there we go.